Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I wanted to show you a challenge. So your goal is to try and figure out how I made the Polaroid pictures to develop in this particular project. So there's no way to interact with this project, but when I press the green flag, I start talking.
Coders, Jared O'Leary here with
Yeah, that voice sounds familiar. All right, so I'm gonna turn on the volume on this. So see how it went from black and then all of a sudden it's getting clearer and you can actually see through this? For each one of the pictures in this particular project, it starts off black like a Polaroid and then it develops by making the black go away and showing the picture that's underneath. So let's see one more.
Something appears out of nowhere. You know, touching project is probably one of my
favorite projects,
and the reason why is
and it goes away. And it's happening wherever it moves across the screen. Let me stop this. Now, in the description below this video, there's a link to this particular remix project. And in the remix project, there are two sprites that you're going to use to try and complete this project. One of them has the Polaroid frame, and it just says add your own text here. You're gonna have to try and figure out how do you make it so that you can save a project thumbnail or image and then put it so that it's inside of this little frame right here. And then you have an overlay sprite that is black and it's going to overlay, so it's gonna go on top of this Polaroid. So I'm not going to give you any more hints than that, but your goal is to figure out how to make it so that these two sprites work together to recreate a Polaroid developing. So it starts from black and then it fades into the picture of one of your favorite projects. So this one might be a little bit difficult, but see if you can figure it out. And if you do figure it out, go ahead and paste below in the comments section a link to your project so that way others can see how you did it, and then we can compare and see who did it in different ways and why they did it that way. Just make sure you add in some comments to explain what's going on in your project. So have some fun with this one and enjoy figuring out the Looking Back Polaroid Challenge. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.